Zero. Hi class, my name is Yves N, Physics 101. In this video, I will discuss why when burning different materials, we notice different color flames. So first of all, let's talk about an element. An element is a substance composed of one atom. An atom is composed of nucleus and electrons moving around the nucleus. A nucleus is composed of protons, which are positively charged, and the neutron, which doesn't have charge. So therefore, the nucleus is positively charged. An electron close to the nucleus has higher energy level compared to an electron far away from the nucleus. So each atom has its own fingerprint, meaning, or we can say each atom is unique because of the electron moving from one shell to another shell level, and the pulling of the nucleus. So pretty much and the pulling of the proton from the nucleus. So pretty much the proton keep the electron in place because the electron is negatively charged and the proton are positively charged. So if the electron want to move out of its shell, the positively charged protons kind of trying to pull them down so to keep them in place. When an electron is moved out of its shell level and move away from the nucleus, it will absorb the energy in form of light. So pretty much the electron will drop. So when the electron drop from is pushed from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, it will absorb the the energy in form of the light. But when the electron is dropped from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, it will produce the light, emit the light in form. It will emit the energy in form of the light. So pretty much like an electron from one shell, if the electron want to move up from its shell level and move in a direction of the nucleus, it will emit the energy. So, and as we know, the light behave the same way as the wave. So that therefore we define the light by its wavelength and by its frequency. So the wavelength is the distance between two peaks, and the frequency is how fast the wave go up and down. That's the frequency. So in case of burning material, so when you burn different material, the heat will excite the electron and causing the electron to move out of its shell level and moving out from the shell level and push it. The heat will push it to like a higher from a lower energy level to a higher energy level. So therefore the electron will absorb the energy in form of the light. And the same electron will drop back down in a lower, it will drop down. The same electron will drop down from a higher energy level to a lower energy level. Therefore, it will cause the emission of the light, the emission of the energy in form of the light. So that's why when you burn different material, we see like different colors. But what we see is the wavelength, or is the wavelength of a visible light. Pretty much like what we see are the visible light, which is red, yellow, green,
6 minutes.
Violet. So because because of the temperature, the change in temperature, and the fact that every atom is unique, that's why when burning all those different atoms, that's why we get different color of flames. Thank you, Yves N.